So again, ladies and gentlemen, on this one right here, you're going to be playing against me. And so what normally would happen is I'd play rock, paper, scissors against you, and whoever won would be the one who would go first. I want to make sure that you know what you're doing. So I'm going to go first. I'm going to pick my color. The color, I'm trying to remember what I was not when I explained the game. There should be one, probably yellow. Yellow is my least favorite color. So we'll do yellow. And I'm going to start at 0 just like you will when it's your turn. So I'm going to spin the first spinner. I got -4. And I'm going to spin the second spinner and I got +1. So I'm going to come over here to my resource page that it's on the back of my notebook right here. Oh, I better put Mrs. Fox. The period number right now is our video. You're going to have your period number so that I can make sure you get the proper credit. So my starting position is 0. The expression that I want is going to be, let me remember my numbers again. I have -4 and a +1. I'm trying to either get to a -11 or a +11. So I have -4 and 1. So what I'm going to do is right here, I have -4. And I'm going to choose to go as far as I can because it's my first one. And so I'm going to subtract 1 like this. So I'm trying to get as far away from 0 as I can. This would look like if I'm doing integer tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to remove a +1. I don't have a +1 to remove. So I'm going to add a 0 pair so that I have enough to take away. I removed it, and so now I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -5. And that's where I'm going to end. I need to move my marker, my token first, right here. So I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And now I'm actually going to go back here because I know me. I'm going to go ahead and write that I'm going to be starting at -5 because that's where my marker is. So go ahead and pause right now, and I need you to take your turn. Don't forget to write down what you get on your paper. Don't write what I'm writing on my paper, please. Just yours. I'll wait. Oh, good, you're back. Here we go. So I'm going to spin one more time. I got a -3 and ooh, that's right on the line. I'm going to spin again. I hope you're okay with that. I got a -2. So I have -3 and a -2. -3, -2. So I have a -3 and a -2. I don't know if you know this about Miss Fox. Miss Fox, when she plays to win. Like to the point where I don't play games outside with kids because I get hurt. And so I have a dilemma right now because I recognize a way that I can win. Do you recognize it? So I have to think to myself, do I deliberately not win so that we continue playing? No, that's not me. So I'm going to do oh, wait. Oh, I am mistaken. I thought if I multiplied, I was going to get a -6, and I'm not. That would be a +6. Ooh, okay. Okay. Let me look back at my strategy. I'm coming up with a strategy, guys. That's what's happening right now. If I add them together, I'm going to get -5. If I subtract them, it's going to be -1. Multiply +6. I can't divide. So I'm going to add them. And so -3 plus -2 is -5 again. Because I'm already at -5 right here. Ah! I just grew my mouse. Sorry about that, guys. It's probably really loud. I'm sorry. So I'm going to move 5 more spots to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to come back over here. I'm now at -10 is where I'm ending. And I'm going to start at -10. Okay. Your turn. Oh, you're back again. All right, here we go. Come on, winner, winner. -3. -2 again? All right, let's see what we can do with -3, -2. Hopefully I can get this figured out so that Mrs. Fox could be a winner. Oh, I got it. If I subtract these like this, so if I have -3 and I remove -2, peace out, homie. That's going to be a -1, which means I move 1 spot to the left. And I'm a winner. So unless you won in your other move, which is possible, which is totally possible, if you won in 2 moves and you beat me, but if it was 3, woohoo! All right. So ladies and gentlemen, this is what I want you to do. Find someone else to play with. I need you to have at least 5 lines on this one. No, that's not really fair. All right, I'll play 2 more. All right, I gotta go back to 0. Complain. Okay. Oh, good gravy. There we go. -3 and a +3. -3, +3. So I'm starting again at, I'm going to drop down a line 0. I have -3 and a +3. I'm going to subtract them so that I have 1, 2, 3. Removing a +3. I don't have +3, so I'm going to add 0 pairs until I have enough to take away. And I do that, and I end up with -6. That's where I'm going to be. That's where I'm also going to start. All right, your turn. All right, you're back. Here we go. I've got -2, and this time I have 0. Ooh, not the 0. All right, -2 and 0. Well, I don't want to multiply them because that's going to give me 0. I don't want to flip them so that I can divide them and I would still get 0. I can either add or subtract and I'm going to get the same thing. So let's just add them. -2 plus 0 is -2. Means I'm going to move to -8. All right, your turn. Oh, you're back. Okay, here we go. -3 and -2. -3, -2. -3, -2. What I really wanted was somehow to get -3. So I'm going to subtract them again. So I have 1, 2, 3 minus, and I'm removing -2. So I get -1. So that's -9. All right, your turn. All right, my turn. I have -2 times, oh, that's on the line. Oh my goodness. Oh, there we go. +2, -2, +2, -2, +2, -2. Come on now. -2, +2, -2, +2. Oh, I forgot to put that on here. So if I multiply, I get -4. That's way beyond. If I subtract, it's also -4. If I multiply, it's -4. And I don't want to be at 13. So I'm going to stay, or -13. I'm going to stay at -9. Your turn. I don't even have to move. Okay, my turn. So 4 and -2. I hope you're writing yours down, not mine. So I have 4 and -2. So I need 9, 10, 11. I need, ooh, hey. Can I make this happen? Oh, bugger. I thought I was close. Okay, I'm going to add them. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 plus -2. I make my 0 pairs. That's +2, which means I move to the right 2. Maybe if I get it off of that one, maybe it might help. So now I'm going to write the opposite of 7 as my ending and beginning position. Hopefully, in your case, you've already won. Let's try one more. Oh, this is supposed to be your turn if you haven't won. I'm sorry. Go ahead. Okay, is it okay if I keep my 1? I hope so. Here we go. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. They're both positive, right? Yep. 1 and 3. Oh, yay. So I have 1 plus. I did this earlier. How many times am I going to do this? 1 plus 3. It's going to take me away from it. One times 3? No. 1 or 3 divided by 1? No. So I'm going to do 3 minus 1. No. I'm going to do 1 minus 3. So that will be a +1, removing a +3. I don't have +3, so I'm going to do that. And my 0 pairs, remove my +3, so I have -2, which means I'm back at -9. Your turn. So I gotta move. There we go. My turn. 0 and -3. So I'm at -9. 0 and -3. Let's do addition. So I have -3, which is -12. Oh, Mrs. Fox. Your turn. My turn. -2 and 3. Go fiddlesticks. -2 and 3. -2 plus 3. 1, 2 plus 3 is a +1. Oh, woohoo! I am now at -11. Winner! So again, ladies and gentlemen, you need to have at least 5 lines filled to earn full credit for this. So if you didn't have 5 turns, make sure you do. Even with me being a winner, even if you are a winner, you need to have a total of 5 lines with the work on it. Okay? So I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you should have at least 5.